First question number. Let us see that. Solve y square e power xy square plus 4x cube dx plus 2xy e power xy square minus 3y square dy is equal to 0. So this is the question. So solve, simply they mentioned solve. They never mentioned use a specific method. Okay. So what is the first step? We need to compare the given differential equation which is of the form mdx plus ndy or not. Okay. So note on the solution here. So here it is. The given differential equation. The given differential equation. The given differential equation is, so write down as it is. The given differential equation is here y square e power xy square plus 4x cube dx plus 2xy e power xy square minus 3y square dy is equal to 0. So what is the first step? The given differential equation is this, and next immediately we need to write which is of the form. So which is of the form m dx or m of xy dx plus n of xy dy. M of xy dx plus n of xy dy is equal to 0. Now first, where m is equal, so we said already that is in the form of m dx plus n dy, and now we are writing separately m and n. So m is equal to y square e power xy square plus 4x cube. And next n is equal to 2xy e power xy square minus 3y square. So this is the first step. We need to identify what about m and what about n. And next we need to check the condition. What is that condition? Dou m by dou y is equal dou n by dou x or not. So dou m by dou y is equal. So dou m by dou y is equal. We are applying partial derivative here. It means that m, we are applying partial derivative with respect to y means you should treat it as x is a constant one. Okay. Then if you see that this is dou by dou y of m is nothing but here it is what? Y square e power xy square plus 4x cube. And then source is equal, you can separate that dou by dou y of y square e power xy square plus dou by dou y of 4x cube. Here it is already said with respect to y means obviously x is a constant one. The derivative of this one become 0. And then here it is with respect to y we are applying partial derivative is nothing but here it is y as well as here also consisting of y. So product of two functions. So for that we need to apply UV formula, right? So here it is UV formula is u into y square into dou by dou y of e power xy square plus e power xy square into dou by dou y of y square, right? So is equal y square into, so with respect to y we are applying derivative, right? So here it is first e power vachesariki derivative e power xy square into dou by dou y of xy square into dou by dou y of xy square plus e power xy square into y square ki derivative so y square derivative is 2y. And now so dou m by dou y is equal dou m by dou y is equal, so simply what we can write y square into e power xy square into, with respect to y means there it is x is a constant and y square derivative is 2y plus e power xy square into 2y. In the total one, which one is the common one? 2y e power xy square is the common one, right? 2y e power xy square is the common one. If we take that one as common, what about remaining? Here it is xy square plus 1. So this is with respect to why we applied partial derivative, right? So dou m by dou y completed. Next we need to calculate dou n by dou x. It means n we need to apply with respect to x. So dou n by dou x is equal dou by dou x of n is nothing but what? 2xy e power xy square minus 3y square. So this is equal, here it is, you can split that one, dou by dou x of 2xy e power xy square into, sorry, minus dou by dou x of 3y square. With respect to x means y is a constant one. Obviously, the derivative of that one is 0. And then dou n by dou x is equal. So with respect to x means y is a constant. So 2y you can write outside. So dou by dou x of, what about remaining? X into e power xy square minus this is 0. Why? Because with respect to x means here it is y is a constant one. Now 2y into, now again if you observe that we have two functions here, so we need to apply product rule. It means UV rule. X into e power xy square derivative none, e power xy square into dou by dou x of xy square, okay, plus e power xy square into dou by dou x of x, dou by dou x of x. So this is equal to 2y into x into e power xy square, and the derivative of x we are applying. Y square is a constant, we can write outside, and dou by dou x of x is 1 plus e power xy square. Why? Because dou by dou x of x is 1. So this is equal, so which one is the common in these two terms? 2y into e power xy square is the common one. If you take that one as common, what about remaining one? Xy square plus 1. So completed to find dou n by dou x. If you see that here, dou n by dou x is equal to what we got it? 2y e power xy square into plus 1, and 2y xy square plus 1. So got the same one. So simply what we can write, dou m by dou y is equal dou n by dou x. So therefore simply what we can write, the given differential equation is exact. The given differential equation is exact differential equation. Okay, so what are the steps we applied here? First we wrote m as well as n, and next we applied m partially with respect to y and n partially with respect to x, and we said both are equal. So if both are equal, simply we can write the differential equation is exact. Okay, next after that we need to find the solution for this, right? Solution for that. So what is the solution? We need how to find the solution. The general solution is, the general solution is, the general solution is, what is the formula we said? Integral m dx, and you should treat it as y as a constant one, plus integral n dy, and here we have to write free from x terms, free from x terms is equal c. So now integral, what about m here? So here it is, if you see that, what about m? Y square e power xy square plus 4x cube. So we have to write as this. So y square e power xy square plus 4x cube. That one we need to write as this. Y square e power xy square plus 4x cube dx plus integral n dy. Is it necessary to choose overall n? No. Free from x terms. Without having x, which term we have, that one only we have to choose. So we said here it is n is nothing but 2xy e power xy square minus 3y square. here it is, if you observe that this term consisting of x, so for that we should not take this term, and without having x, which term we have? Only minus 3y square. So for that we have to choose here only minus 3y square. Minus 3y square dy is equal to c. And now here it is, we need to apply integration with respect to x, but what you need to remember here, with respect to x means here you need to take y as a constant one. So y you can write outside, so y square, and then e power xy square dx plus 4 is a constant, we can write outside, x cube dx. And next minus 3 is a constant, we can write outside, y square dy is equal to c. And now here it is what we need to write. So here y square into integral e power ax and e power ax by a. A is nothing but here it is y square. So y square plus 4 into x cube integration is nothing but x power 4 by 4 minus 3 into y square integration is y cube by 3. So this is equal to c. Is there any cancellation one? Y square 4 4 and 3 3. All these terms cancel. And what about remaining? E power xy square plus x power 4 minus y cube is equal to c. So this is the general solution. How can you say the general solution? Why? Because the given differential equation of order is 1, and here it consisting of one arbitrary constant. So for that simply we can say that this is the general solution of the given differential equation. So next question. So here it is. Second problem, solve y into 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y dx plus x plus log x minus x sin y minus x sin y dy is equal to 0. So this is the question. Okay, so this is the question now. So what is the procedure? First you need to write the given differential equation. Okay, so the given differential equation is, the given differential equation is, so note down the question as it is what they mentioned, y into 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y into dx plus x plus log x minus x sin y dy is equal to 0. And now we need to compare this equation with which is of the form. So what is the form? Which is of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, where m is equal to, what about m? So m is equal to, here it is, y into 1 plus 1 by x into cos y, sorry, plus cos y, this is here. And next coming to n, so n is equal to, what about n? X plus log x minus x sin y, this is here. So I wrote m as well as n from the given problem. Now what is the condition we need to check? Dou m by dou y is equal dou n by dou x or not. So we are going to apply m with respect to y partial derivative. So my or dou m by dou y or my, we can write anything. So one more thing, if we are applying with respect to y means which one is a constant, x is a constant. So for that, here it is dou y of, so y into 1 plus 1 by x plus dou by dou y of cos y. Dou by dou y of cos y. So this is equal, with respect to y means 1 plus 1 by x is a constant into dou by dou y of y plus dou by dou y of cos y. Cos y ki derivative none, minus sin y. So this is equal What about remaining? We got it 1 plus 1 by x minus sine y. 1 plus 1 by x minus sine y. Next, dou n by dou x is equal n with respect to x we are applying. So the derivative of x is here 1, and then x ki derivative dou by dou x of x is 1, and next log x ki derivative 1 by x, and next with respect to x we are applying means y is a constant, so sin y is a constant. So dou by dou x of x is 1. So this is dou n by dou x. Got the same one? 1 plus 1 by x minus sin y, 1 plus 1 by x minus sin y. So simply what we can write, so these two are equal. So here it is what we can write, dou m by dou y or my is equal to nx or dou n by dou x. So simply we can write the given equation, the given differential equation is exact. The given differential equation is exact. Next, general solution we need to write. Now the general solution is, the general solution is, the general solution is integral. So same as is this formula only, no, integral m dx y constant plus integral n dy free from x terms is equal to c. So here it is, what about m? So m already we know that, so simply you can write m as this. So what about m? Y into 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y whole dx, whole dx plus n dy. So is there any term without having x? You can see here. So this is n, right? So n is here x plus log x minus x sin y. Is there any term without having x? So without having x, is there any term? Here x, and here also x, and here also x. So there is no term without having x. So for that, simply what we can write, 0 dy is equal to c. And now with respect to x we are applying, and what we said, we should treat it as y as a constant one. So y constant means simply you can write y outside, y integral 1 plus 1 by x dx plus cos y is also constant. Why? Because that is also y term. So integral dx is equal c. So y into, now one integration, integral dx is nothing but x plus integral 1 by x is nothing but what? Log x plus cos y, and integral dx is nothing but what? X. So this is equal to c. And finally what we got it? The solution is y into or xy plus y log x plus x cos y is equal c. So this is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay, so same procedure we applied or not? First we wrote m and n, and next we wrote it as dou m by dou y is equal dou n by dou x or not, that one. And next there it is, we applied general. Next question, third one, solve here it is 1 plus 2xy cos x square minus 2xy dx plus sin x square minus x square dy is equal to 0. So I am writing here directly, that is, so here it is. So first the given equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy, where m is equal to, here it is 1 plus 2xy cos x square minus 2xy and n is equal to, here it is sin x square minus x square, that is here. And next immediately we need to check dou m by dou y. So with respect to y we are applying derivative means x is a constant one. So for that, simply what we have to write, dou by dou y of 1 plus dou by dou y of 2xy cos x square, and next minus dou by dou y of 2xy. So this is equal with respect to y, and constant derivative is 0, this is. And next with respect to y means x is a constant, right? So we can write outside 2x cos x square is a constant into dou by dou y of y minus, with respect to y means x is a constant, 2x we can write outside, dou y of y. So this is equal 2x cos x square, 2x cos x square, dou by dou y of y is 1 minus 2x. Why? Because dou by dou y of y is 1. In these two terms, which one is the common one? 2x is the common one. You can take common and then remaining 2x into cos x square minus 1. And next, we need to calculate nx. So my we calculated and we need to calculate here nx or dou n by dou x. So nx is equal, simply what we can write, dou by dou x of sine x square minus x square. So this is equal, same like that. So simply we can write dou by dou x of sine x square minus dou by dou x of sine x square, sorry, x square. So this is equal, first sine की derivative apply చేయాలి. Sine derivative is nothing but what? Sine derivative, sine changes to cos. So cos x square, and then we should apply derivative for x square. So dou by dou x of x square minus dou by dou x of x square, as it is I am writing. And then simply what we'll get? Cos x square, and x square derivative is nothing but here it is 2x minus x square derivative is 2x. And now in these two, which one is the common one? 2x is the common one, and remaining what we'll get? 2x into cos x square minus 1. So got the same one. Here it is, if you see that my, and next here it is nx. So both we got the same. So simply we can write my is equal nx. My is equal nx. So therefore the given differential equation is exact. The given differential equation is exact. And next, if it is exact, we need to find the solution. So the general solution is, what we know, that integral m dx, and we should treat as y constant plus integral n dy, only free from x terms. So free from x terms. It means without having x. So m you can write as it is. What about m here? 1 plus 2xy cos x square, 2xy cos x square, and next minus 2xy whole dx. 1 plus 2xy cos x square minus 2xy dx, and then plus n dy. N dy is nothing but without having x. So this is n. Here it is there any term without having x? No term. So for that, simply what we can write, 0 dy is equal to c. And now here it is, y you should treat as constant. So for that, simply what we can write here is 1 dx plus integral, y is a constant, right? Integral 2x cos x square dx minus y is a constant one, right? So y you can write outside, integral 2x dx. 2x dx is equal to c. And now integral dx is nothing but simply what we can write, x plus y into integral 2x cos x square dx minus y into 2 into x integration and nothing but x square by 2 is equal to c. So 2 both will cancel. And then here it is, x plus y into, so here it is, what about remaining? 2x into cos x square dx, cos x square dx, and then minus xy square is equal to c. Minus xy square is equal to c. And then how can you write this one? So x plus y into, so this is simply we can write integral cos x square into 2x dx, and this is already we completed, minus xy square is equal to c, and then x plus y into, so this is simply what we can write. So we can solve separately or you can calculate it that. So here it is. So direct formula we have, or simply you can calculate separately this. What about this cos x square into 2x dx? So first put x square is equal to t, x square is equal to t. So differentiating on both sides, differentiating on both sides. So x square ki derivative and 2x dx is equal dt. Now you can substitute all those things. So here it is, if you observe that x square t and 2x dx, so 2x dx is nothing but dt. So for that cos t dt. So integral cos t dt is nothing but, so cos integration is sin t, and here it is t is nothing but what we chosen, x square. So for that sin x square. So for that simply in place of this integration what we can write, y into sin x square minus xy square is equal to c. So this is the general solution of this equation, the given differential equation. Okay, so this is the one. So here it is. First we need to apply my is equal to nx, and then we need to write mx is equal to m derivative, and next n derivative, and next general solution we need to write. Okay, so this is the question. Solve dy by dx plus y is cos x plus sin y plus y by sin x plus x cos y plus x is equal to 0. So this is not directly in the form of m dx plus n dy. So first we can write that form. So dy by dx is equal, simply I am taking this plus into this side, coming to, that is changes to minus. So y cos x plus sin y plus y by, and here it is sin x plus x cos y plus x. Now cross multiply cheyandam. So cross multiply chestunnan, sin x plus x cos y plus x into dx, sorry, into dy is equal minus of y cos x plus sin y plus y into dx. And now take all the terms into one side. So if you take all the terms into one side, okay, so what will happen? Why? Because we require mdx, right? So mdx is nothing but, here it is, simply we can write y cos x plus sin y plus y into dx plus sin x plus x cos y plus x into dy is equal to 0. Okay, now is this directly in the form of mdx plus ndy or not? So which is of the form mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. What about m? So m is equal y cos x plus sin y plus y. And what about n? So n is equal sin x plus x cos y plus x. Now we need to find dou m by dou y as well as dou m by dou x. So first term my is equal, m with respect to y means x is a constant. So y in x is a constant, so cos x constant, and y derivative is 1. And next sin y derivative is cos y, and y derivative is 1. And next nx. So n with respect to x sum, sin x derivative is cos x, and next plus with respect to x means y is a constant, cos y plus x derivative is 1. So my is equal to nx. So therefore the given equation is exact. a given differential equation is exact differential equation. Is exact differential equation. Now we need to find the general solution. The general solution is, what about general solution? Integral m dx. So m is nothing but we have to write as this y cos x plus sin y plus y and whole dx plus n dy. So without having x, we need to write n. So without having x, is there any term? Integral n dy. So here without having x, is there any term? No term. So for that simply 0. So is equal to c. Don't forget to write c. Why? Because we are saying general solution means the number of arbitrary constants must be equal to the order of the differential equation. If you don't write c, that is not a general solution. Okay, that is particular solution only. Okay, now we need to apply integration with respect to x sum y constant. So integral cos x is nothing but sin x, right? And next sin y constant as this. So sin y plus y is a constant. Integral dx is nothing but simply what we'll get, x. So is equal to c. Therefore the general solution is y sin x plus, if I multiply x inside of the terms, x sin y plus xy is equal to c. So this is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay, so like this we need to do that problems on exact differential equations.